guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I just kind of wanted to make a little cooking video. I'm gonna be making orange chicken, and I've never made orange chicken before, and I've never eaten at Panda Express, so I'm not really sure what it's supposed to taste like, but I do love some Chinese food and I love some sesame chicken. So if it's anything like that, I think we should be good. So I already thawed out my chicken and I gotta put together my batter to fry. But and I'm not gonna make the sauce. I bought the sauce already made. So you can buy this from your local grocery store. But everything else I will be making. So yeah, stay tuned.
Perfect.
So as you can see now, I am seasoning the chicken. I'm gonna use a little bit of salt and pepper and just a little bit of garlic powder. So for my batter, I'm gonna use a little bit of flour, salt, pepper, 1 egg, water, and some olive oil.
Perfect.
How old are you? So our chicken is looking magnificent. It's the right texture. It's nice and golden. That's perfect. We just have a few more we need to make, then we're gonna move straight to the sauce. So now we're about to sauce it. Also, I don't know if I mentioned or not, But I also made some broccoli as a side, and of course the white rice as you saw. But I have my wok right here, and then I'm gonna mix our chicken in with the sauce. Okay, so now it's time to sauce the chicken. So there's all the chicken, and I only used 2 chicken breasts, and I made all those. I cut them into little nuggets, and like I said earlier, I bought the sauce from the grocery store. This is the Panda Express Chinese Kitchen orange sauce, and I've never eaten at Panda Express, but I hear a lot of things about their orange chicken, so I just bought the sauce and decided to do it my own. So it smells good. So I'm just gonna pour it in. So I only did like half of the bottle. I'm gonna do all the chicken. Product, and I think for my first time I did pretty well. The next time I ever attempt to make this, I'm definitely gonna make my own sauce instead of buying my sauce from the store. I think that'd be something fun to do. But overall, I think it turned out amazing. Y'all hear Gianni back there. He's eating his food. Whoa, big boy. Was it yummy? Mm-hmm. Say bye. But if you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and even turn on your post notifications so when we do post the video, you're the first ones to know. And bye. Right?